Hi, I am Dr. Christina Kraft. I'm an integrative dentist in Tucson, Arizona. I do something a little bit different. I do integrative lifestyle medicine style consultations and coaching. And the way I use StellaLife products, it's one of my favorites, is actually for my pre-surgical consults before patients are getting something like an all-on-4 or LANAP surgery. Most of our patients are nutrient deprived. We know that. And one of my favorite things to do is to give them the Dentamedica multivitamin before and after their surgery to support their bone healing. I also like to use the rinse and the gel and the lingual and the sublingual spray to decrease the need for opioid pain medication after their surgery. Some of the patients are so excited about the oral rinse. I had one patient say, "Oh my gosh, this is the greatest thing ever. I need to keep reordering this for my dry mouth. My dry mouth has never felt this good." So I'm really grateful that StellaLife has made such wonderful homeopathic style products, and thank you so much for what you do.